I'm Piyush Sharma, UF CS276, and today I'm going to show you how to make a simple HTML page, simple web page using HTML. Okay, so this is the page which I'm going to make. So you can look at this page heading, subheadings and stuff, and there should be link. So when I click on subheading, it should go to subheading 1. When I click on subheading 2, it will go to subheading 2. It will jump on subheading 2. And if I click on subheading 3, it will jump on subheading 3. And in the end, we have a table. So as you can see here, I've already made this page. So this is the page heading. So when I click on subheading 1, see it jumps to subheading 1. When I click on subheading 2, subheading 3. Okay. So let me show you how we make a simple web page using HTML. So this is the source code of our current page heading page. So since it is a HTML file, we'll start with an HTML, and this is the heading. Then to do supply a title, which is the name of the page here. As you can see here, the name of the page is to do supply title. You can change the name by changing this thing. Then meta name viewport. Viewport means if you open this page in phone, it will set according to the size of the phone. Different sources. If you open up this current web page into different devices, it will set according to the size of the device. That's the use of viewport. Then comes, the heading is over. The main body part comes. Division. Div tag means it will divide the data into divisions, so it won't be complicated and too much into a single thing. So H1 is used for heading, the biggest heading size. So we are aligning the heading in center, font color is red, and we have given as page heading. So as you can see here, put this thing page heading, red color, center, H1. Then U means underline, font color blue, A, href is used to give reference, that it's kind of a link. So we have given hash head 1, subheading 1. So we are giving a link of hash head 1, and we are making the subheading 1 as a link. So when we click on subheading 1, it will go to the subheading 1 part. So if I click on this, it will go to this. This is how we make this. So this is how it is done. Then NBSP is used for giving spaces. So as many NBSP you give, that many spaces you get. So color blue. Similarly, all three tags here, all three references are made. Then BR is used to break, to start from a new line. Then we use HR tag to make a horizontal line. This line is made using HR tag. Okay, then here we start the information here, like H2 means heading type 2, which is a little smaller from the H1 tag. Color red, head 1. So here we give a link as hash head 1, and here we are giving a name. This is the combination of the link. So if you give a href hash head 1 here, you'll get the same thing. You have to give this thing here, so that will jump on subheading 1. And paragraph, we have put some data inside the first heading 1, break for horizontal line. Then again ahref link, so we are giving a karna.edu, this thing, these three, link, then mail and number. Then we have to make a clickable image link, right? So when I click on this image, it should go to the particular site which I want to go. Not which I want to go, which is given inside the web page. So that is made using clickable image, again giving a href and I have given the link as google.com, and I've given the image with some width and height, and I've closed the link. If you give like this, it'll go to the particular Google site which I given there. So, and again one paragraph, some data, break, and DL is used for description list. Okay, we're done with this. Now, this is the part we have come to. This DL is a description list. So I'm gonna put a write a word and I'm gonna describe it. I'll give a DT tag and I'll give a DT tag to describe it. So if I give PHP and DT means this is my heading, and if I give some data inside DD, it gives us the information about PHP. So it works like that. And then slash DL description list. You close it. Break. Give a line for. Now we have to make a list. So for making this list, we use UL tag, which is an unordered list. Yeah. LI means list item, and OL means ordered list. So the difference between unordered list and ordered list is in unordered list you won't get 1, 2 serial numbers. You just get a dots or arrows or keys. But in ordered list you can give numbers like 1, 2, 3. Serial numbers will be available to you. So this is how the list is made. And then you close the list. Now subheading 3, you put some data. Now for making a table, it is very simple. So first you give tr table. First you give table tag, and if you want a border, you can give a particular border here like 4. If you give border equal to 0, there won't be any border. Then tr means table row, the first row, name, year. Th means table heading. So based on difference between table heading and table data, like based on difference between th and td, the only difference is if you give th, it will come bold. That's all. So name, year, number of students, branch, date of birth. So it will come one line, table, row, one row, done. When you close the row, the second row, the data is given. Third row, the data is given. The fourth row, the fifth row, and similarly the sixth row. Now, but in the but in this thing, as you can see here, these two columns are combined, and these two rows are combined, and these three columns are combined, and an iframe is given here. So we have to make that. So for doing that, you should use row span and column span. So here you can see we have used row span and call span. And instead of call span, I have given iframe. So iframe source. Iframe is a link which I give so that it displays in a small. See, I'll tell you. Iframe is used to give a different version of a particular site. So if I give iframe here, and if I give Kavna site, it will show Kavna site in small format inside the table. So it works like that, and that's all. Okay, so the Kavna site is supposed to come here, but it is not coming. I don't know why. The rest all is okay, and so this is how. And you can use 000 web host to host your page, the web page you have made. So let me post it again for you. You can use view. Yeah, so here's the web page. Thank you.